A residual is the difference between the y value for a point in a scatter plot and the value predicted by a linear model. The dashed lines in the figure represent the residuals for each data point. Now, let's work on calculating some residuals. Use the difference of the actual value and the estimated value. To find the residual for example 1, subtract 19 and 6/10 from 24 and 8/10. The residual is 5 and 2/10. Now find the residual value for example 2. $112.11 minus the estimated value of $109.30 is $2.81. What if both values are negative, like in this example? Still, subtract the estimated value from the actual value. -1 and 34/100 minus -2 and 45/100 becomes -1 and 34/100 plus 2 and 45/100. This then equals 1 and 11/100 as the residual.